Imagine Earth wearing sunscreen, but humans are peeling it off. That's ozone depletion for you. Welcome to AK1 Informapedia, episode 20. Today, I'm uncovering how India fought back with the ozone-depleting substances, or ODS, rules of 2000. The ozone layer is basically Earth's UV shield. But chemicals like CFCs, think old ACs, fridges, and spray cans, were destroying it. By the 1980s, scientists found a hole in the ozone layer and the world panicked. That's when countries got together and signed the Montreal Protocol. India joined in 1992 and later launched the ODS rules in 2000 to phase out these dangerous chemicals. But how did these rules actually work? Let's break it down. Rule 1. No new ODS factories. If you wanted to make CFCs, tough luck banned unless it's a real emergency. Rule 2. Strict import and export licenses. Basically, no sneaky ODS trade allowed. And Rule 3. Phase out deadlines. CFCs were axed first, then came HCFCs. Industries had to switch to safer alternatives like ammonia or CO2 cooling. So what happened because of these rules? Well, CFCs vanished from India by 2010. There's been a 98% drop in ODS use, and new tech like hydrocarbon refrigerators has totally taken over. Factories now build ozone-friendly ACs instead of the old polluting ones. But hey, it's not all smooth sailing. There are still challenges like illegal ODS smuggling, and some of the new alternatives can be costlier. Still, India's on track to fully phase out HCFCs by 2030. Now, you might be thinking, I don't run a factory. What can I do? Turns out, small actions help a lot. Check your fridge or AC when you get it serviced to avoid illegal ODS refills. Use eco-friendly sprays, look for that CFC-free label. And of course, spread awareness by sharing this video. The ozone layer is healing, but the fight's not over yet. Stay curious, stay green. Like, share, and comment. What's your ozone-friendly tip? See you next time on AK1 Informapedia.